Are you using ChatGPT only for asking questions? Then you're missing 90% of its power. Let me show you top 5 features that can literally save your time and blow up your mind. Before getting into the video, hello guys, this is Tanya. Welcome back to my channel Explore AI with Tanya. Subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos of AI tools. If you also uses ChatGPT just for asking normal question according to your studies or anything, then drop a yes in the comment box. So yeah, ChatGPT is not only for asking question from my side. So top 5 features that I will say in this video are, for knowing that you have to be till the end of this video. First feature is speed. Literally, prompt is a game changer in any of the AI tools you are using. So let me give you an example for it. अगर हम कुछ भी एक नॉर्मल वे से चैट जीपीटी से पूछते हैं जस्ट लाइक से व्हाट इज एआई ओके so yeah it gives us answer it doesn't it's not like that it will not give us answer it does give us answer but where you use prompt which is a game changer, your answer will be more precise and more detailed and very in a ordered way. Before asking any question, assign a role to it. ये सेम क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज एआई एंड सेम मैंने यहाँ पे भी लिखा है व्हाट इज एआई बट हियर व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इज आई हैव असाइंड अ रोल टू द चैट जीपीटी which most of the people doesn't do. तो मैं सबसे पहला फीचर्स आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि प्लीज़ यूज़ प्रॉम्प्ट इन अ प्रॉपर वे फॉर योर एनी ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस you are asking to any of the AI tool. It's not prompt is really a game changer. और अगर आपको prompt के basis पे एक वीडियो चाहिए then please comment prompt. The difference is that the answer is more precise in and more in detail manner. So this was my first feature. Let's go to the second features. The second features of ChatGPT is I like is deep research. Yeah, you come here, you go for more, and you get deep research over here. Click it, it will come. Here, what you have to do is you can take any topic and do deep research on it. For example, it will make step by step process and then it will verify by the step by step. Okay, so it's an amazing feature. So I think that most of the peoples are not using this. Most of the student क्या करते हैं literally including also me when I didn't play with this feature of chat gpt I was literally going to different websites, which most of the students are also doing now. That they visit different websites to see the hackathons, to see the upcomings, and there what we do is we read the timelines, the dates, and many things in different websites. So better going and visiting to many different websites. You can do deep research on any of the topic, not only for student. You can whether you are any professional or students or anyone. You can use any of the topic for your deep research, and it will make a step by step process, and then it will give you the total details in a very precise ordered way. So yeah, here it is ready and you can see here. So yeah, it has given us the recent and upcoming hackathons in India of 2026 executive summary. So what it does is it take out all the events and its details. Just like see for example, I'm taking and summarizing it to you guys that it has taken the organizer, the start date and the registration deadline, what is its format, what are the team size, what are the prizes they are offering, and participants should be from where and how to register their apply. It has given all the necessary information which should be given for a hackathon. And you can here see they have made comparisons of hackathon. They have given us the theme and tracks and deadline. And yeah, so this is what it does is it gives us in very detailed manner that you don't have to go to various platforms and search for a single thing, different type. Moving on is स्मार्ट कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स सो आजकल के ज़माने में आई थिंक मोस्टली ऑल आर content creators. Basically 90% of the peoples are content creators. So what does content creators do? They always get lack of ideas. So what you can do is you can create captions and ideas. You can get scripts from ChatGPT in very good manner. For an example, I will just create an image for any of my reel. Okay, so let's go to create an image. And it is I chose that create an image feature. I have given a beautiful prompt where it has given me a realistic image. You can see the image is very beautiful. Okay, actually I love panda, so I have used panda. Okay, fine. So this was the third feature where you can use GPT as a smart content creator, where you can use it for making images, writing your scripts, captions, ideas, and many more. And the fourth amazing feature is that hackathons again. Yeah, you can see over here hackathon. Then click to this. What does it do? It is a new chat for hackathon. What you can do is you can chat here for your hackathon. जैसे कि अगर हम कोई भी hackathon में ज्वाइन करते हैं तो हमें बहुत सारे डाउट्स आते हैं. वो डाउट्स क्लियर करने के लिए हम अगेन एंड अगेन चैट जीपीटी के न्यू चैट में जाएंगे जो कि completely clumsy होगा. So better than that, we can come to hackathon, a complete different file where you can ask question and your previous asked question will be saved in that itself, so that you don't get confused or you don't have to always go back to the old history chats to find the answers again, because your whole questions or answer or doubts will be stored in one separate file like hackathon. You can get many more sources over here, like you can upload sources like link drivers or connect many different apps also to give you deeper context. So yeah, it was the fourth amazing feature of ChatGPT. I have said that the fifth features will be a mind-blowing feature. So let's get into it. Here we see is Codex. It is a new feature. I guess most of the student will be not using it right now. अगर आपको कोडेक्स यूज़ करना है तो आपको इसका ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा. यू कांट यूज़ इट इन द website. Currently, I am using ChatGPT in a website, but Codex is allowed to use only in the app. It's an amazing feature of ChatGPT where you can get different benefits in using Codex. It can literally build your code, all the code which you want, and you can also connect things with Hugging Faces, GitHub, लाइक प्लेटफॉर्म्स. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अगर आप मेरे वीडियो में टिल एंड रुके हुए थे. इफ़ यू लाइक द वीडियो प्लीज़ डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. Comment down the next AI tool about which you want to know.